back to my channel. My name is Daisy for those who are new. So for today's look, I decided to do like a get ready with me. I'm gonna get ready to go to a party, my niece's birthday party, and I decided to do like a really nice bronzy eyeshadow look. I hope you guys really enjoy watching this. Start off with the moisturizer. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I'm gonna go ahead and draw in my eyebrow. For primer, I'm gonna go with the Touch in Sol No PoreBlem primer. Really nice and silky. It's so soft and smooth. I already wet my sponge. I'm gonna go in with my favorite. This is the Infallible Pro Matte L'Oreal, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some on my hand. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Light and Medium, and I'm going to go ahead and use this to brighten up my face. For translucent powder, I'm going to go ahead and use the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Boost Setting Powder. And then I'm just going to go one more time with my beauty blender under my eyes to make sure that there are no creases. And then press the powder. I'm going to apply this everywhere where I put my concealer. I'm going to go ahead and remove the one from my chin. I'm still going to leave the one under my eyes because I still want it to keep baking. And then I'm going to remove the one from my forehead as well. Next, for bronzer, I'm going to be using my favorite. This is the Hoola by Benefit. And I'm just going to be using the Makeup Shack T20 brush. And I make sure that I connect it to my forehead. Then I'm also gonna go ahead and grab a little bit and do my jawline right here, starting from here all the way down. I'm also gonna go ahead and contour my nose. For my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and be using this palette right here. This is the Ring the Alarm palette from the Jacklyn Vulgar collection. So I'm gonna go in into the brush, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my crease. Next, using the same eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna go in with Alert right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tap a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this one. This is the Secret. I'm gonna go in with the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm gonna go in with this one right here. It's called Axis. Now we're gonna move on to the lower lash line, and for that, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one right here. I'm gonna go in with the dark shade that we used. This one, this is Secret. I'm gonna go back in with that one. Apply this super close to my lower lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. This is the shade Boom. Grab a little bit. And that on this brush, this is the JH41. Guilt trip right here with my finger. Contour palette. I'm gonna use this shade right here. I'm gonna be using Feisty from Tarte. I'm gonna be using the Tarte Tartiest mascara before I apply some lashes on. Lashes that I will be using are by the brand Kiss. I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I applied my eyelashes. Now I'm gonna use the same mascara that I used for my top lashes, and I'm gonna use that for my lower lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the MAC Prep Prime. For highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Luxie 522, and I'm gonna be using the Pretty Vulgar in Shimmering Swan. We're gonna go ahead and spray it one more time. Now for lips, I'm just gonna go in with the one that I like to use. This is the Milani, and this is in the shade Spice. I'm gonna go in with the Kylie liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Vibe. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in with this Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Verona. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoy watching this tutorial. If you guys are new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will be listing all the products down below for you to go ahead and see what products I used if I forgot to mention them. Also, I did curl my hair with the wand. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on how I curled my hair. But other than that, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!